Yeah. Yo. Yo, where's my Chrome tab? What the fuck? There it is. Fucking OBS. I did nothing wrong. The last stretch, about like 50 minutes, maximum 1 hour, will be. I'll be handling this pain and I'll move on. And then another day, and then another day. Couple months left. It's done. It's done for life. Done with it. So, diagonal, multiplication, whatever. Move on with that. Uh, Put it like below. Alright. Like it's exactly like copied below. There are other methods to do this stuff, but why bother? There's like a star method to multiply. I like it like this, so I do like this. I don't care. D. so like D is equal to that. So that times that times that times that. Boom, boom, boom. Literally, this is like 5th grade stuff. You can learn this in 5th grade if you're from China. So boom, boom, multiply. Right, 0 minus 3, 2 there, minus, put a parenthesis because, sign change on everything, 0, now there you go, plus 2, plus 6, now 0, 0, fuck it out, I don't care about that. Now, change the sign with plus 2, change the sign minus 2, change the sign of 6, because we're all in parentheses over there, you're gonna have minus 8, so that's minus 3, minus 8, so in total gonna be minus 9, huh? Like this is like the fucking easiest stuff ever on this test, kind of. So then you're gonna plug in the minus 9, so you get this, essentially. Yeah. Now you use like the formula. If you have power of 2, you can like split it like that. But bro, like I thought that one has to be with plus, why they're both with minus. The blue parentheses stuff. I don't really know, but I guess it's done like this in this exercise because of some schemes and stuff. Oh, it's fucking, hold up, man. It's not this. It's another fucking formula like that, huh? This one's like, you just solve it like this. Bro. Like, am I freaking out? Shouldn't it be like z to the second power minus 2 times z times I? Maybe no. Anyway, it does it like this. Okay, I'm gonna take it in. Yes, okay. Y to the second power is minus 1. Alright, y to the second power is minus 1. I mean, not y, I, like iPhone, bruv. Tell me in the comments if you have an iPhone. z of second power minus 2 iz. Bro, it's literally a fucking formula, bro. Bro. I've done this stuff for years now, I understand this fucking formula. Alright. Alright. Z of the second power, boom, minus. Okay. Minus that. Basically, you don't write y to I of second power, write down minus 1. And now, you just find out what z is. It's gonna be quadratic here, like pop the quadratic. Like, it's not gonna be like x, your x is a z here. So now you will solve delta and stuff. Fucking skip this. Let's go, let's go. Okay. Fucking let's go. Minus 2. I. Bro, we have I here also. Okay. Alright, no issue. We're gonna bug out this I. We're gonna get ours right. So, essentially, boom. Formula is b to the second power minus 4ac. So you can understand exactly right how it's done. Now there is going to be 4 I to the second power. If the second power of minus is cancelled out, so that's how it's rolling. Then you have their plus 40 because there are 2 minuses. So, fucking I to the second power is minus 1, yeah. So it's gonna be minus 4 plus 40, so that's exactly 46, and that's good because we're gonna need like the square root of this triangle, which is 6, so we're gonna have to use it when we solve z1, z2. So that's formula. Like, in this video it's like really for beginners, so every formula, everything is written down. Hold on. Okay, I'm fucking back. So basically, we were here. Um, so 2i minus 6 divided by 2a. That's just basically divided by 2. So we're gonna do some swaps with I and stuff. With I to the second power and stuff. So to bring it to the second power, we can do it like this. We're gonna make that a 9, and that's minus 1. What are you trying to do? I don't understand. He kept it like this for now. Can you just give a response like this? With a plus I and stuff? I think you can. Now Z2. Alright. So you do it's like the same thing, but it's gonna be a plus. So you get that. And yeah, you write it down. Like, yeah. I don't know why in the delta we had to replace the I, but now here in the solution we couldn't. Doesn't make any sense. Anyway, that's 8 points, thanks, I'll take that. I guess he shows now different interpretation. And like it's much easier like this. Anyway, right. I'm just reading these fucking comments. Fucking, let's go. Fucking, let's go. Fucking, let's go, bro. Okay. DVA and stuff. DVA x not equal to 0. So yeah, basically x minus 2 smaller or equal than 3 divided by x. So yeah, like now what? I think we gotta work with like yeah, the lower stuff we did, and then like we move everything to the left and equal to 0, stuff like that. I think. Let's get us. Let's give us. Let's give us. Yeah, so it's basically expanding the stuff, huh? Yeah. It's simple as day. Now the second thing, x minus 2 minus 3x, boom. Exactly what I said, man. Alright. So now what? Right now it's like simple, bro. Equal to 0, bro. Yeah. So now what? Boom. Moving on. Yeah, shit is divided by 1. Bro. Fucking genius. He just moved out to the right, nothing changed, he just put an equal sign. You first have to equal it with 0, I guess. Now you do multiplication like that, and so you get this quadratic. As usual, quadratic, 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 and Pythagorean theorem. Everything is like that. Now I got a 4 minus 4ac, boom. 4 plus 12, 16. Now you solve basically x1 is going to be 2 minus 4 divided by 2, boom, like that. Now x2, boom, that's going to be exactly 3. So yeah, we got that. Got a ding. I don't know if you heard that, but gotta check something out. back to math. I relapsed. Nah, I mean, that's just metaphorical, right? X1 minus 1. Yeah, I remember where we were. Boom. 10-15 minutes. That's it. That's it for streaming for today. I got stuff to do after this. X1, X2. Boom. Now third thing. Yeah. Third thing is the graph hitting. Like boom. I told you the graph. I'm a prediction machine. Hire me for your betting. Alright, so minus 1 there. 3 there. That's two values. X1 is minus 1. No, that's smaller than 0, put it there. And 3, that's essentially bigger than 0, put it right. That's how it rolls. Now, here, bruv. Here, you just take a value. Like, if it's like with fucking, with equal and smaller or higher, then you make the dots like that. And why does this make a difference? Because if the dots are colored, this means that in the response you're gonna write down the response with bold parentheses, not curved ones. So now, like I said, you take a number from the range. So for example, from 0 till 3, I'll take 1. So I'll switch the number when it's equal to 0. 1 minus 2, that's going to be minus 1. And minus 3 divided by 1, that's minus 3. Minus 1 with minus 3, that's minus 4. So minus 4 is like smaller than 0. So here's negative from the interval from 0 till 3, which means that the interval from minus 1 till 0 is negative, and I mean positive. Anyways, we're gonna find out. And the one from 3 till something, that's also positive. Oh, we're all plus minus. What? No way. No. So let's see. Let's see here. Negative there plus plus, bruv. I told you. Boom. So now write down the response, minus 1 to minus infinite. You basically pick the values that essentially, yeah, I forgot about dVax cannot be 0. In the solutions we have minus 1 and 3 but not 0, so we're gonna take them all, and solution basically x minus 2 gotta be smaller or equal to 0, so pretty much we do not have nothing to equal to 0. So we're just gonna take the negative intervals, which is minus 1 till minus infinite till minus 1, and colored, so parentheses like that, not curved. And the Venn reunion, that's like a U, big U, from 0 till 3. 0 has a curved parentheses and 3 has a square parentheses. Okay, that's done. So that's precisely correct. Let's see if we do this stuff right. So now we gotta do like exercise like this with rows. Yeah, I think this one's also quite easy. Mainly there are two ways. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna be back soon, really soon. Right, there is. Now I'm sipping very lean. It's healthy because it's with apple juice. Lil Pump Code 2018. So 2n plus 1 divided by m plus 4. So here we have 5 different numbers that you gotta find, not just how it goes, but find like different numbers that start with this stuff. I did this like a demonstration of how it goes, but not actually finding the numbers. So I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, I think we're gonna like have to equal it with 0 or something, this expression, because also like if we see that it's gonna be n bigger or equal to 1, so I think it can just be like instead of n we put 1, so it's gonna be basically 2 plus 1, yeah, divided by 5, because 1 plus 4, so that's 5. 2 divided by 5, that's x1. Then we're gonna do the same thing. X2 is gonna be 2 times 2, that's 4, plus 1, that's 5, divided by 6, so 5 divided by 6. And then you gotta do like all this stuff, and then you gotta do like one term minus another term. So for example, the first one we got like what, 3 divided by 5, and we gotta do like minus 5 divided by 6. So if it's like higher than 0, then this row is like plus sign, it goes up, so write that down and stuff and everything. Yeah, this is like 4th grade in China, so yeah, we're gonna be fine. Yeah, boom, 3 divided by 5. Boom, boom. Right. So 4, like this is fucking 3rd grade in China, even like what? Easiest stuff in the world. Right, we write it down each and every one. Now basically you can see that I think it like goes up. Do a minus and stuff and find out. 18 is smaller than 25. Yeah, because it's like you change the number, so it's smaller. Also, if it's smaller, then it goes down, right? What? No. If it's smaller, then we do the minus, then it goes up here. Boom. So, yeah, done. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. So, there's a circle within a triangle that has a 90-degree angle. Obviously, you can see where it has a 90-degree angle. The angle that looks like a square, which is basically this one. I don't know if you can see my mouse. Anyways, so the one that's my smallest is 6. The one that's like second smallest is 8. Now the longest one, you don't know. But anyways, Um, uh, Basically, there's some kind of thing here going on. I don't know, with a line. We're gonna understand. Basically, there's a point M on this longer line. Um, on the right of a circle, kind of. And we gotta find the distance from M till the right corner of a triangle. I mean, this one should be pretty easy if you know what to do. Like, there ain't gonna be 10 years of worth of calculations. So that's how it looks. You can see on this camera here. Um, so, so. A, B, C, boom. 6 and 8 there, like I said. So basically, I think this point M is like it's it's like on the circle itself. So I think we're gonna have to do like some formulas with fucking, how you call it? I don't know how you call it. Like the circle that has like 2 times smaller than the diameter every fucking time, using 10,000 formulas. I'll put a K, Q point there. Okay, I don't know why. Yeah. So, the angle of 90 degrees. That's okay. So we gotta find out what's this green line, AM. Now to find that out, bruv, what should I do? Um, well, well, well. Not sure exactly. I mean, I can understand what is BC based on Pythagorean theorem, but why do I need that? Why exactly would I need that? Anyways, I gotta understand what I gotta do here. A to second power stuff, plus B to second power, C to second power. Okay, so yeah. Oh, so you gotta find out BC like I said. But why do I need it? I don't know. So it's gonna be 36 plus 64, that's 100. And that's 10. BC is 10. Okay. Now, we want to understand, like, I understand what I need. I need BM and MC, but how I'm gonna find that out? How exactly I'm gonna find that out, mate? Let's see, mate. Bro, come on. How many times do I have to click? He explains and explains. 102 degrees, what? 95? What he says right there, mate? What? MC is equal with QC. What? MC is equal with QC. QB. KB is equal with BM. BM. And KA is equal with AQ. And equal with that thing that I told you. The diameter divided by 2, which is the R. So, how do I understand like MC's QC? Yeah, like he put all the points like that are in the triangle of a circle. Okay, and that's some formula, man. Like 6 plus 8 minus 10 divided by 2. Bro, how can I know this formula? What? Well, yeah, that's like 2, right? And now that I know that, that's 2. QC is MC. Actually, QA is AQ. That's 4. Because 6 minus 2 is 4. Alright. BA is BM. So that's 6 right there. And now we know this stuff. We can apply like some formula there and be done with it. Okay. So BM on MC is gonna be 6 divided by 4. It's gonna be 3 divided by 2. And it shows like a formula with an area, triangle ABM, 3 divided by 2, and AMC, 2 there. What I need that. So basically, he moved on. Maybe, I don't know. Radius and stuff. He moved on, right? We're done? I think he tries to find out something else, man. With the area and stuff. That's like some tough stuff. What I need is stuff. Yeah, a sine of A. What? Bro, no. I am not interested in all this advanced math, Math 55, Harvard. I dropped out of Harvard, I don't need this stuff. Oh my gosh. What's he trying to do, man? He's just flexing his math skills, bro. Better flex your Lambo, man. So, what? He founded AM, right? What? Why he pulled out this problem at the end? What? If it's so hard. That's how you find out AM. My god. No way, mate. Goodbye. That's it. That's the stream. Have a nice one.